morning. I'm here in my land for the coconut check-in and didn't really want to film myself, rather film the nice mountain. Yeah, the land got pretty wind blasted, so I've just been cleaning up a bit. Got some good coconut water, and yeah, I finally got my car back because I had spare keys that my friend was able to send me in the mail. So since yesterday I've been driving again. So yeah, I'm here, coconut check-in, December 6th. Very windy today. Got too much dust in my eyes, I had to leave, but I was trying to hang out at the land. I'm still here now. I mean, once I looked at the mountain, I was pretty impressed. I wanted to hang out and shoot this. Yeah, it's really beautiful. The snow and windstorm you can see all over the mountain. And the dogs had a chance to run around. I mean, they were running around crazy. They've kind of been in the yard, or I've walked them the past few days, walking them into town. It's been good not to have my car for the past week, but since last night I've had my car, so it's been better. And yeah, now I'm just doing supply run type of thing. I gotta stop by Wairika. It's like the closest bigger town. It's got a Walmart, gotta return something. And yeah, yesterday I got this camouflage hunting vest, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, nothing really new, just I gotta make some money. I got a lot of bills for the land, for my car, a lot of stuff, a lot of hard work I have to do. That's why hopefully you can check out Goddess Uprising, the fashion company. It's a lot of different types of products. We make custom products, handmade, artisanal, fair trade type of stuff, so check that out. Otherwise, you know, just hit me up if you got some jobs, something. I'm trying to get some work to do, trying to get some education, you know, learn how to do some more skills online, like design, graphic design, web design. Improve those skills so that I can do that from my laptop, hopefully all over the world. I mean, I do want to leave America again, just for short periods, because I have to have dog sitters and cat sitters, but I have some people that are lined up for staying on the land. So as soon as the land gets developed, it means I can travel again for a couple weeks, month at a time maximum, you know, Thailand, India, Sri Lanka, Europe, stuff like that, places like that, you know. So anyway, I'm signing off now. Coconut water check-in from my land, Shasta, Mount Shasta. That's Mount Shasta in the background. It's actually a volcano, but people call it Mount Shasta, so it's pretty cool. And yeah, sorry my hair's a little messed up, pretty haggard, you know. It's kind of a city slicker, not really used to the winter quite yet. It's been a little hard, but got a house, so with the house it makes it easy. And I've been you know, working on some development stuff with the fashion project. You've seen some stuff I posted most recently, but yeah, now I'm on the land. It's nice. It's grounding for me to be here, but I gotta go. And anyway, thanks for checking it out, and keep following along.
There are going to be segments of our population that the market's not going to touch. Targeted populations like...
Well, it's been nearly a year since President Trump signed the 2018 Farm Bill, and One provision in that bill made it legal to grow industrial.
500 rental homes that are permanently affordable. In a town our size, that is significant, and that moves the needle and helps us to live our value of inclusivity.
Who's paying for that?
So those projects are paid through a combination of financial resources, some federal, like the low-income housing tax credit, and many local. For example, one of these permanently affordable developments is made possible through a 4-acre land investment by Missoula County. He who holds land holds the right to development and can control development patterns, and so it's increasingly important that land, as one of our most valuable assets, continues to go towards development that will ensure that inclusivity.
That's Erin Pahan, Director of Housing and Community Development for another city that is booming in the western United States, Missoula, Montana. Erin, thanks for speaking with us.
Thank you.